Welcome back, friends. And nowadays I'm getting queries from many of our users that how to activate hotspot, means how to give internet from your mobile to another user which is nearby you. Then many people are knowing this, but this video is not for those people who are knowing it. This video is for those people who are not knowing it, and I'm going to cover this: how to enable hotspot and how to put passwords, and then how to receive hotspots in your mobile. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just see here, go to the setting, and for other mobiles just go here and search for hotspots. In Samsung mobile, this is Samsung mobile, go to the connection, and here mobile hotspot and tethering is there. Go to the mobile hotspot and tethering and just tap on here. From here you can turn it on. Now this mobile is creating a Wi-Fi atmosphere near this mobile, means this mobile is creating a Wi-Fi environment, giving a wireless signals to those mobile up to certain distance. So this is called hotspot. You can name it as you want. You can give the password from here, you can change the password from here. Okay, going to configure, you can change the name and password from here. So it is that you can change it 000, anything you can, but you should remember. So now hotspot is active, and here you can see a symbol that hotspot is active. When hotspot is active, now the mobile which are in certain range with this mobile and wanted to take internet connection from this mobile, what will they do? They will go to the connection, they will turn out their Wi-Fi, and then here they will so this is a hotspot for from some another mobile which I have activated to show you how to receive hotspot. Just tap it here, and if you are connecting first time, it will ask for password. Go enter the password which you have put there in hotspot setting, and then it will be, that mobile will be connected to your mobile from on which you have activated hotspot. This is what I wanted to tell you in this mobile, how to activate hotspot and how to receive hotspot. Thank you very much. Please consider subscribing this channel.